Discover the stunning views of Tet Paul in St. Lucia. Nestled in the lush mountains of St. Lucia, Tet Paul offers an unforgettable hiking experience with breathtaking vistas. Located in the town of Soufrière, the scenic trail takes you through verdant rainforests and rocky terrain, leading to incredible viewpoints that will leave you in awe. The Tet Paul Nature Trail stretches approximately 1.5 kilometers and is considered an easy to moderate hike, making it perfect for nature lovers of all ages. So grab your hiking boots and let's explore the natural wonders of Tet Paul together. The surrounding landscape is covered with lush green vegetation, including vibrant tropical plants and trees that highlight the island's natural richness. The trail offers two iconic stops: the Stairway to Heaven viewpoint, a dramatic platform perched above the landscape, and the ultimate point, where you'll be treated to a panoramic view of the island's stunning beauty. As you hike the trail, you'll be rewarded with the views of the majestic Piton and Petit Piton, two of St. Lucia's most famous landmarks. Make sure you stay hydrated with fresh coconut water and other refreshments as you reach the summit of Tet Paul, where you can buy trinkets and memoirs to take back home as souvenirs. The ultimate point did not disappoint. At the very top of Tet Paul, you will be able to see 360 degrees of vast valleys and evergreen rainforests. The Tet Paul Nature Trail in St. Lucia reaches an elevation of approximately 1,000 feet above sea level. The trail offers stunning views of the surrounding landscape, including the iconic Pitons, and provides a moderate hike with amazing panoramas. As they say, what goes up must come down. As you hike back down Tet Paul, you can't help but to appreciate all the beautiful views missed on the way up.